Welcome to the St. Regis Kanai on the Riviera Maya. We're about 45 minutes south of Cancun, and right behind me is the St. Regis Hotel. Wait until you see the lobby. I'm going to give you a whole tour of all the facilities. My name is Nick Gray. I tour St. Regis's all around the world. I pay for all my rooms, and I give you my honest opinion. Let's go explore. This place is awesome. This is the front of the St. Regis as you pull your car in to come inside to see this incredible lobby. And one of the first things that you're gonna see is this sculpture right here behind me, made by a famous artist. I think it's so beautiful and striking across the green mangoes. The green mango, what is it called? The mango ground cover. Well, here's the lobby. I'm gonna walk you right inside the lobby to show you the huge ceilings and the fantastic space. Let's go check it out. There is that ginormous sculpture I mentioned. And as you get out of your car, you're gonna walk in this way. I noticed the huge ceilings, the sound of water as it trickles off the waterfalls, the trees that they've set up inside of the space, the large white columns, the beautiful green ground coverings that I mentioned, the nice, what is this, like a marble colored floor almost. The interior design in this space with the orchids that are all tucked around. This is the St. Regis lobby. And I gotta tell you, it is one of my favorite St. Regis beach resorts that I have been to. I've been to many different ones. You can see my video for the Bali St. Regis. That was the most recent beach St. Regis I went to, which I really enjoyed actually. But it's such a different vibe because this hotel is really almost brand new, only 1 year old as of October 2024 right now. It feels so sophisticated and so modern. I love the design, and I think you're gonna love it too when you come here. Man, please let me know in the comments, by the way. Tell me when you're coming here to the St. Regis or what other hotels you're looking at. I try to reply to every single comment. I may have said it before, but in case I didn't, let me say it right now. My name is Nick Gray, and I try to go to all the St. Regis's around the world. I pay for my rooms. I make these videos just for fun as a hobby. And I hope that you just come along, subscribe if you want to see my other videos. Otherwise, keep watching as I give you a tour of some of my favorite spots. We're gonna go walk this way down to see my room, and I'll be in a different outfit because I filmed this as soon as I got here. But follow me, let's go check out my room. All right, room 121 here at the St. Regis. Let me show you inside the room. Now you can see over here immediately into the bathroom. I'm gonna take you into the bathroom in a second. But let's first walk through the space so you can look inside and see what is through here. This is the room. Now I have a double queen room with the plunge pool upgrade. I got that as a feature of my titanium status. So I'll show you in the room, but I want to look at this incredible closet first. Because I tell you, we're coming from a big trade show, so I have like tons of luggage, and I'm really appreciating all of the extra space. Do you notice these classy drawers here? These are the St. Regis touches that if you've stayed at other St. Regis, you know the benefits of having a little bit of an upgrade. That's the safe. It's so funny because sometimes people ask me on YouTube to be like, show me the safe, and I never use the safe. And I want to know, do you use the safe? Tell me in the comments below if you do. Well, we're here in the room, and all of the rooms get these free bottles of water, which you can see these, and you can ask your butler to bring you more of those bottles of water. There's some complimentary chocolates that they've added us as our welcome gift. Over here is the very nice mini bar as well as the coffee setup. There are no ice machines in the rooms, but you can call the butlers and ask. This is how the thing closes up. So if you want to hide everything, then it's very minimal and displayed. For the coffee, they've got the Nespresso setup that we've seen in a lot of other St. Regis's. You can see there's 6 pods included. Once again, you can ask for more of those from your butler if you would like. Here's the additional minibar. The 2 things on the right are different types of chocolates. I think Mexican chocolate is famous here. Well, here's 2 nice chairs, as well as the television. The television has built-in Netflix, which I really appreciate. And I want to show you what's next to the bedside on each of these things. If you followed my other St. Regis videos, by the way, have I said this yet? My name is Nick Gray. I'm trying to go to every single St. Regis around the whole world, and I travel to these hotels. I pay with my own money. They're not sponsored, and I tell you my honest opinion on how I feel about them. Look at my other videos for the St. Regis stuff. But I love to look at all of them to see, hey, do I have USB ports here in order to charge my phone? How will I charge my phone? Now for this one, it's quite difficult. I don't see any plugs nearby. I'm looking, and I personally do not see any additional. Potentially that is one USB plug that you could charge with, but on this whole device, I don't see any others. And I gotta say, I'm not real excited about that. However, what do we have right here? We have the plugs. Now we don't have the new USB-C ports, but we do have 2 power ports as well as 2 old style USB, which I think is great. We can push these buttons to close the blinds or the shears, as well as all the other devices. Now I got the 2 queen beds, but you can obviously get the king bed. Let's take a look at the bathroom. As we come in here into the bathroom, you can see the double sink setup. Now note how they alternate, one facing this way, the other facing this way. I love that. Huge fan of that. Really nice large pool. Have you seen these little inset makeup tables before? I think I've been to a lot of different St. Regis, and I don't know that I've seen one so nicely and crisply prepared like this. Very large bathtub. I'll check the water flow on that later, as well as the shower. Now, what if you notice there's only one shower head? If you're used to other St. Regis, occasionally we have other St. Regis ones that have the waterfall shower, but not at this one. The products, we have the Saskatchewan, which is really nice. Love to see that. Some bathrobes, as you can see, there's another bathrobe over there. This goes directly into the storage, and then the bathroom is right in there. Now, last but not least, I would like to show you the plunge pool that looks over the mangroves. The mangroves. This plunge pool is part of a room upgrade that you can get. I received mine as a perk of being a titanium member. And as we open it up right here, I will show you how nice this looks outside. Just imagine. And the beach club is right there. Well, we're gonna head there next. I'll see you soon. Welcome to the beach here at the St. Regis outside of Cancun, Mexico. Well, I'm going to show you what it looks like. I want to note that it's surrounded by mangroves, and I mentioned this before, but the property is really built all on the mangroves. The water itself is murky. We cannot see down into the water, and the bottom of the sand in the water is like grassy. There's grass and there's actually some rocks. Let me show you what it looks like. But we've been hanging out here on these beach chairs, which you can see some of these beach chairs over here, and then the pool area is up there. Now there's 2 pools. There's the adult pool, which is where we were, and then there's the kids pool, which is over there. I'll show you more of that later, but for now I just want to give you a look to see what the sand looks like. Here's my toes, and there's the sand. This is what the beach looks like down here and going into the water. The water is very calm. It's very nice, but I wouldn't say it's a pleasurable, beautiful, sandy bottom floor. This is the upper area of that club. We were sitting straight down below. And this is what the upper area of the club looks like. This is the adults pool club, and it's really adults only. I'm recording this during October, and there's not a lot of people here, so we kind of have it all to ourselves, which is great. This pool, you can see, is an infinity pool looking out. People are drinking champagne back there. It's pretty nice. Let me go to the wide angle to give you a better idea. But as opposed to the little kids club, which is out straight back that way, that's back near the kids club area. I'll see if I can walk over there to show you guys what it looks like. So I need to tell you about this place because this is called Jack's Club. And if you can see the pools right over here, as we are here in October, it was completely empty, and we got to go swim in this perfectly shaded environment. Inside of Jack's Club, there's some foosball tables, and it also connects over to the kids club. So if you walk over right around here, by the way, this is where the lizard is. Can you guys see this iguana? He is always over here. So if you're looking for an iguana that you want to show people, I would come over to the kids club. But let me just show you inside of Jack's Club. Oh Lord, it's about to start raining. This is not good. This is inside of Jack's Club, and it goes down here. Hola, señor. And it goes down here. Back that way is down to some palapas, and it connects to the kids club. Let's go inside the gym now to show you how the fitness center looks. And it is all brand new techno gym equipment. There's the free weights. Wow, you can see this lat machine. Let me walk down to the cardio. They also have some exercise bikes, which I'm really happy to see that they've got these techno gym. My personal preference would be to be the Pelotons, but I'm really happy with these. I like exercise bikes. These are great. Wow, super cool. You can see they have a row machine here, a recumbent bike, several treadmills, all looking out over to the mangroves. Honestly, the gym is a little bit smaller than I would have anticipated, but frankly, it's fine. They've got a lot of equipment. The equipment, as for a gym and a hotel that is brand new within the past, year? I mean, this is brand new equipment. Very awesome. They have one of these machines. The free weights look like they are in kilograms, so we have 4 kilograms all the way up to 22 kilograms. There's a Smith machine here. They do have what looks like 3 rollers, some other balls. There's a Bosu ball, there's bathrooms in the back there, and then a little yoga stretch area. This is the gym. Plenty of nice equipment. I'm gonna rate the gym 4 out of 4 stars. I like it. There's water over here that you can see, a water tap area, as well as some bottles of water, as well as headphones over here, and you can see fresh apples right at the gym. So exiting the gym, I just want to walk a little bit through the outside areas so that you guys can see a bit of the vibe and the feeling of what it's like to be at this hotel. Some of these common areas I don't often feature in my video. Now this is the spa right here, and we would go into the spa, but I personally don't have an appointment, so we're gonna keep walking. I want you to notice this architecture, how the wood looks on the side, and then these graded areas to keep bugs or other things out, but it's also this nice little filter. And can you see that beautiful sculpture outside? Maybe I already featured it as I showed you the introduction here. But where we're walking, and I want you to keep and stay with me, is I'm gonna take you over to the library to show you inside. You can see a peek of that amazing lobby. And all through the space, there's little sitting areas like this. This is actually a really cute area. I'll show you inside. Maybe we'll go in the back of the library here. But look at this. A little seating area where you and a family member could come and sit out to read and enjoy this really nice view. Look, you can see the ocean right out that way. And those birds flying above. This is really nice. Well, let's see if I can get inside the library here. Fingers crossed that it's open, and it is. This is the library. As soon as you come inside, you can smell that beautiful St. Regis famous smell. One complaint that I have about the library is there's not actually that many books available. If you look to see what's on display, they're mostly coffee table books, honestly. So there's not a lot that's actually here. However, this library is where the tea service is held. So there's afternoon tea that you can enjoy and other snacks that they serve out at these carts. But just look how cool the vibes are. Like, if I have a laptop and I need to do a little bit of work, I think I'm probably gonna come and hang out over here because this is, so nice. Even looking out, it's another great area that you can come and sit out. Look at the people walking over, probably getting ready to go to dinner, a family enjoying their time as they walk. Way back past them, that's the beach club that we took you to earlier. And I sat out on the beach in one of those areas. Well, let's walk outside of the library, and this will take us into the lobby. I think I already showed you the lobby before at the beginning, but I want to note these pothos plants that provides a beautiful ground cover. Really, the landscaping and the architectural design here is so fantastic. Look at that, into the library. This is one of the gift shops. There's also a deli right back to the other side of the gift shop. The deli's only open from 7 a.m. to 11 right now. That is one negative in my mind. I wish it was open a little bit earlier so I could get a smoothie or something like that. Here is the next things as we check out into this beautiful area. Well, let me show you the breakfast buffet as we come in here. I'm gonna show you, oh, it's okay, it's okay. This is the Chaya buffet as I take you. I just do a little video.
Okay.
This is the buffet, and I'm gonna show you inside what's on the buffet here at the St. Regis Hotel. Now, by the way, you can sit outside here at this incredible view. This is so nice. Isn't this nice? But as I take you inside, let me show you what's in here for the buffet, because the continental buffet and the full buffet is absolutely, I gotta tell you, incredible. Let's start with the pastries. Look at these. Look at this incredible pastry selection. Look at this. Look how nice these are. Can you imagine just waking up and having a little piece, a little baguette, for example? Maybe you want a donut. Do you want a donut? As we come over to the warm section, now this is not included in your continental. If you are a Bonvoy member like myself, continental breakfast is included, but that does not include the hot stuff. To add the hot stuff, it's only about $25 for more. Bienvenido. Look at these nice quiches over here. But I'll show you more. What's over here, please don't use for the pastries. Look how nice that is. This is all for the yogurt, some peanut butter and granola. All of these things. Really, really nice. Cool. More options now. I love the salmon. The smoked salmon is going to be really nice for me. When I do these breakfast buffets, I never know if people really want to see, but oh my gosh, speaking of which, there's another hotel that's in Tokyo that's part of the Marriott Bonvoy network. That was maybe my favorite breakfast that I've ever had. Oh, they do it really good in Japan, but this is nice. This is really nice. I don't want to hype you up and say this is not nice. This is the omelet station. You can see this is the chilaquiles for eggs and omelets over here. He'll make you all the options with delicious chips. But I'll show you one last thing. What's outside? Well, we have more hot stuff that's outside. Oh my gosh. Lauren. Wow, do you see this bird? Hold on. Sorry, I have to take a little pause to just show you this bird. Oh my goodness.
This is your dream.
This is really like my dream. I've been thinking of being a falconer. Okay, sorry guys, I'm gonna go back to the breakfast. That is so cool. Here's some more of the hot options that are available. You can see that there's rice, there's refried beans, we have chicken tamales, we have chicken tinga. Let me just give you a peek. I'll give you a peek at the chicken tinga. Look at that, pretty nice inside. Hello to there. Do you think I can get some of that chicken to go feed the hawk? I don't know. Here we are though, at the breakfast. Beautiful breakfast once again. This is so much nicer. The view here is incredible. The food is incredible. I give this breakfast 2 thumbs up. So what's the summary? Sorry, I'm back at the office now. I just left the St. Regis. What's the summary? I loved this hotel. I thought it was really good. This was like one of my favorite St. Regises that I have ever been to. I think probably my most favorite one. Now, the other ones that we've seen are the St. Regis in Puerto Rico. I've been to the St. Regis in Bali. I'm trying to think of the other beach ones. I'm telling you, the design of this was the best. Did it have as many amenities? No. No tennis courts, no bike rentals, no cold plunge, no hot sauna that was free included like it is in the Puerto Rico. But the architecture, the design, the layout, the room, I really did like this one. I would definitely come back, and I recommend that you for sure check this out. Now, I paid on Marriott Bonvoy, and I paid with points. I think it was like 60 or 70,000 points. I feel like it was a really good redemption rate. I love this hotel. I give it 2 thumbs up. I'm definitely going to go back. The continental breakfast was fine. It was very nice. 2 thumbs up. Definitely check out this hotel. Peace. Bye. Oh, wait. My name's Nick Gray. I go to hotels all around the world. Please subscribe. Tell me when you're going to the St. Regis or which one you're looking at, and I'll tell you what I think. Look at my other video here about the Edition, the sister property next door, because the lobby at the Edition was very good, but it's not the vibe for kids. Very sexy hotel. I really liked the Edition next door, same property, but like next door. Check that out. I'll link it here if I can. Peace. Bye.